Hello, everybody, and welcome to Biology 3108. This is Human Evolution, the lecture portion of the class. What I'm going to do is just run you through real quick what this looks like and where you're going to go. And that'll be it. It'll only take a few minutes. If you go to the left of the page, this is the page that should show up when you start. If you come down to the announcements, if there are any announcements, these will be in a row on here. So I have a few here right now. One on completing the orientation, and then another one on where to get started for the day. But for the most part, where you are going to be going is you're going to be going to course content. So when you click on course content, this is going to take you to all the materials that you need for the week. So if I go into week one, here is going to be a list of assignments. So you have about 7 things that you're going to do this week. Most of these things are very, very simple and easy, but there are quite a few of them that you do need to get done. Once you go through here, there's going to be a series of lecture notes. So you can come through here and you can look at anything that you want to look at. Now, this is a class that pretty much is all done by the company. I mean, most of this stuff is not stuff that I have developed, but it's a pretty popular course. So we try to keep it the same so different instructors can teach it as you go along. So here are those things that are going to be due this week. So you should be able to find everything that you need in week one. So one of the things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go get a Blackboard certificate. And on your homepage where you have your courses, when you click on courses, there's an orientation to Blackboard in general that you can go through. You get a little certificate. Now, once you get that, what you're going to do is you want to upload it to the student orientation. So that would be this right here. So you're going to click on student orientation and you're going to come in here. It says it's worth 10 points and you are going to give me that attachment. So click on browse your computer and give that to me. And then I can give you that assignment. All of the assignments are due on Sunday by midnight. So here's the next thing you're going to do. You're going to do a course scavenger hunt. And then all of these things, these are all Cengage's materials. These will take you to an external site. So once you click on this, it's going to send you away to an external site and you'll be able to see all the things that you need to see. Now, not all of these things are things that are going to be graded. Some of them are just materials for you to look at. So for example, that one thing I just clicked on is basically the chapter 1 reading. So that really, you're not going to really be graded on any of that. So you'll go through, it's got all the learning objectives and all those things in there. The things that you will be graded on are going to be the quizzes. So, and I have those listed up here. So here are the 4 things you'll be graded on. And like I said, those don't take a whole ton of time to do. So chapter 1, visualizing physical anthropology quiz. And I think it's only like 6 questions or something like that. Visual encounter chimpanzees today. And then these 2 assignments right here, visualizing the development of evolution and visual encounters the Galapagos Islands. So those are all things that you will be graded on. Now, when you go to that external site, after you do those assignments, then you'll submit them and they will actually go back to Blackboard. The points will be sent back to Blackboard after I grade them. The last thing that you're going to do is each week there's some type of a quiz for you to take. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to come in here and click on the week 1 assessment. And this is just like any other quiz that you would take in Blackboard. Some of this is multiple choice. Some of it is written. There's a whole bunch of different formats within this quiz. So this is really designed for you to have your book in front of you and to be answering questions as you go along. It's not really designed for you to be doing this from memory. Okay. So the other things that you're going to have in here, you're going to have the syllabus. Okay. So here's where your course syllabus is. Here's where you go for any of your announcements. Instructor, I actually don't have that updated yet. The instructor that used to teach this class is officially retired, and I am pretty much taking over for it. The discussion board, if you want to go to this discussion board, you're obviously more than welcome to. There are some introductions in there, and looks like these are ones from last semester, so I got to go through and I got to clean that out. And I think that's really about it in terms of what I wanted you to see this week. Yep, I think that's it. If you have any questions, just send me a text or send me an email. And that is about it.